Strawberry Festival prep. It's the day before. Heading into work. It's supposed to be 92 today and 90 tomorrow for the festival. Last weekend, 72. This weekend, 92. I'm really working to prioritize because, one, things I sold at Pride, there are things that won't sell at this festival. Different hours. This one starts at 9 a.m., not noon. So we have breakfast hours. And also, I just can't get it all done. So we've had to abandon rainbow jars for this weekend. I will have some for next weekend's festival. I have cut down the kind of cookies. I'm doing oatmeal raisin. Those are a favorite. Also, you should know this takes place at an assisted living place. I've cut down to oatmeal raisin, decorated sugar, and peanut butter. I had like 6 other kinds in mind. Thought I was gonna make them all, but we have to edit. I'm gonna truth bomb you for a second here. We're a little behind. So last Sunday, we had tickets to the O's game, so I couldn't come into work. Not a complaint. I need days off. However, when you're coming back from a big festival like Pride was, and then getting ready to turn around and go to a big festival, it will be different, but big still. Same number of people probably. And then baking for the whole bakery and doing custom orders. We're behind. So here's the docket for today. Finish the sugar cookies. I only have a few details. They'll dry. I'll bag them. Everything needs to be labeled. Obviously, everything needs to be packed. I will have to make peanut butter cookie dough and bake them. I will have to make blueberry muffins and bake them. I still have some butter rum muffin batter, so I always bake off the rest of that. And then I can either freeze it or I'll take it with me to the event. I have a cheesecake to make. I have 2 cheesecakes to slice. I need to make a pan of blueberry buckle just because I need to make cinnamon rolls because we're taking cinnamon rolls tomorrow. And tonight we actually set up. So, I mean, I won't set up the food. For me, it's just like we'll put up the tent weights, tent sides. Maybe we'll hang the banners tonight. Anything to make tomorrow easier. We'll take anything, any of the display cases, anything like that, the tables, the chairs, and we'll set all that up so that tomorrow morning when we're walking in, we are just adding the food. It starts at 9, but because it's at an assisted living place, the residents start shopping at like 8:30. So I want to be set up by 8:30. So even though it's 2 minutes from the bakery, we have to, well, we'll see what it's like this year. Last year we had to like lug our stuff through landscaping and over a hill and stuff because they don't let you drive in the morning and unload, which I understand that's for safety. But the issue is when you're like me and you can't just like leave buckets of product there. Like the food trucks have an entrance. They can drive in that day. But vendors cannot. One, considered a vendor because I'm not a food truck. So I kind of am in this weird in between. And we have so much stuff and they're like, just take a shuttle. It's not that easy with tubs, you know, full of 50, 60 pounds worth of stuff. But anyway, I'm trying to do everything I can to make tomorrow easier and more compact. So we are really gonna pack as smart as we can. Also, cake jars to do today. I have like toppings and fillings ready, but the cake needs to be baked and they need to be assembled. It's gonna be a long day. It's 8:15 a.m. Let's go. Also, just an aside, I'm working on really starting my day off with protein, which is something I'm not always great at, but I've been working on it and it's definitely helped me feel better. So thank goodness for this. I can do this while I finish the part that needs to be filled in on the cookies so that they can be drying while I'm doing other things. And then I will have my coffee, and I will have coffee. We also need to make brownies and brownie jars today. And I do need to make 2 kinds of buttercream. All right, I'm finishing cookies and then my ass better move triple time. Okay, here's where we are. It's 1:30. I just closed the bakery early because I'm pretty much sold out. To be fair, I didn't have a ton going in because I'm not going to be open tomorrow and some things don't transfer. But I have no muffins, no scones, no shortcake, no oatmeal cake, no blueberry buckle, no oatmeal raisin cookies, only a couple sugar cookies. I was down to just butterscotch cheesecake because the other cheesecakes I have are for tomorrow. So we're closed. I have chocolate cupcakes baked, brownies are baked, peanut butter cookies are baked. I'm gonna bake off the rest of the butter rum muffins. Take some of those with me. Cinnamon roll dough is on its first proof. So we got that. I haven't talked about this yet, but I've been leaning in a lot for this festival into my preserves. I spent yesterday making lots of my preserves and jams, so I'll label them and show them all to you. But when I sold those my first year there, those sold well. So hopefully I move some tomorrow. If not though, they sell great in the case. Okay, now we're going to the venue to set up everything that we can set up tonight and then back to the bakery to finish things. It's about 6:30. Yeah, where he turned. And then we're gonna double back, I think. Yep. Oh. Okay, so you usually have to check. I'll at least put the one on the back. Tent is up. I think so. So now we have to drop it down for the night. That was actually pretty quick though. Ooh. Okay, so we got the table set up. The chairs are clear cases here. A bag of some stuff, some display items. We got the weights on. We dropped it down. So now we're gonna head back to the bakery. That took, hey, what time is it? Okay, that took us less than 30 minutes. That's pretty sweet. All right, it's 7:40. Cinnamon rolls are done on the trays and covered. The event starts at 9 tomorrow, but people start shopping at 8:30 or even earlier. And we have to physically get in there and set everything up. So there's just not time in the morning to be able to bake them. But I did this last week and they were phenomenal. They were only baked at like 6 o'clock. So we're covering them and then we're good to go. Cash box is ready. All the instruments are charging. Fans are packed. And we will be back here in less than 12 hours. Thanks for following along, and don't worry, I will vlog the Strawberry Festival and let you know how I did. Also, it's very hot. Okay, you're awesome. See you later.